Okay, welcome on board everyone who joined us there at St Catherine's, your trip down to Greenwich. Now, the bus and we're in radio contact with all the emergency services.
Well, there's safety talk down there. It's very important because I talk about the safety, number of safety.
Okay, the bar is open if anyone wants a way behind us now, the city skyline. Beyond that you get the Douglas and Falls there, the GPO tower, that's the General Post Offices. Now we do have the have the time with us, so we anticipate getting down to Greenwich on time, so you won't be late there at all, okay? We have the tide's been going out now for about 2.5 hours. Comes in from the North Sea and goes back out again into one tide. This is the river, this is River Thames, it's a mud-based river, and it gives it this very dirty look. Plus all the boats moving around, etc. It churns up all the mud, but the condition of the water is very good now. So that's the River Thames, a little bit about itself. The blue and white boats over on the left hand side, this is part of the Thames Division, Metropolitan Police, and they're the oldest police force in the world. They were set up 25 years before the Bow Street Runners. Set up by the East and West India trading companies. They were fed up of having nearly 1/3 of all their cargoes, which was being stolen when it entered the Thames. There was still 1/3 of all cargoes being stolen when it came into the River Thames. So they built the West and East India docks a bit further downriver, which is now the site of the Canary Wharf complex. And the captain of a very famous ship called the Mayflower. And the Mayflower left the beaches here at Birthplace. She was actually constructed here and went on to Plymouth to pick up a few more people, which of course were the Pilgrim Fathers, and they moved on to the Newfoundlands we now know as America. Now to mark the Mayflower, there is a little pub.
You see a mixture of old and new again, Tom.
Limehouse. This long stretch of water in front of us is called Limehouse Reach. Got its name from warehousing the lime after the Great Fire of London. The government of their day said they would never rebuild London in wood and thatch, it would have to be in brick and slate. Just behind us is Lime Kiln Dock, that's where they set up the kilns for the brick manufacture. But it's not, it's only a 10-minute walk up through the park. Okay, that's the building to the left of it, the green building, that's the 22-inch telescope just to the left. Flaxseed House, or Greenwich Observatory it's known as. There, you've got a much better view of it now. It's up on the skyline there. Now that ball is raised to the top at 1300 hours every single day. Then on the hour the ball is released, and that's how the captains usually in amongst the trees. There's the statue of General Wolfe. He was famous for the Battle of Quebec. You have the Naval College on the right there, and the hospital over on the left hand side. And on the right is the painted ceiling. There's a very lovely painting in there. If you get a chance, go in and have a look at the painted ceiling at least here at Greenwich. Okay, I'm going to turn the vessel now. It'll be on your left hand side. There's your view of Greenwich, Hampstead House on the top, 22-inch telescope to the left, Queen's House.
Big free?